Brand new equity peaks today on a sloppy gap continuation, reversal, and chop type day. We had some big slippage on some trades, and so we underperformed the hypotheticals by about $600 on the 250K portfolio and over 150 on the 50K portfolio. And so I'll show you those trades in a minute, but massive slippage, but we're happy to be at equity peaks, and so we'll take it. And it was a volatile day with looked like it would be a smooth uptrend, and we had even more gains at the peaks, almost more than twice these gains at the peak, and then the market rolled over and chopped. And so let's go over the trades on the day. We're up on the week. We didn't trade yesterday, and then we're up on the month, and we're up on the year. So let's look at the trades on the day and then go over the market. So we had some fast ping pong type trades at the very end. This tick count trend. We had first trade was a loser. Second trade, the market surged and then sold off. Hit its profit target quickly, but with the loser at the beginning of the day, it was around break even at minus 50. Plus 1150 on Viper, taking two good shorts and then stopping before the market started to try to fight back on the bulls started to fight back. And then tick pullback. This was the dog of the day by far. But we have to have these strategies. We have a diversity of strategies like this and like tick pulse that look to hit the home runs, and you have to leave them in there. As soon as you take them out, then they'll be the only ones that win, while the others end up losing. And so diversity of methodologies. Tick pullback looks to stay in the trade, and it got stopped out. Then it got in here, and the dog of this. What makes this the dog of the day for sure is the 24 points of slippages is $480. So we get in at 1551. That's during that order imbalance, right when the order imbalance comes out. So take a look at this strategy set up during order imbalances. And so the order imbalance comes out 10 minutes before the cash closes. Sometimes the market usually moves really quick during that time period. So you had a buy signal that got filled way up here, 12,878. I believe, when the fill was at 12,854, and then so big slippage, 24 points, $480, almost $500 on that one trade. So that was responsible for our biggest disparity between the hypotheticals and the live today. Cover 3, perfect trade, really. Just getting in on this move. I thought the market just seemed really smooth and calm today, and thought the market just might continue to move higher. I thought the NASDAQ had higher prices in its sight. But, yesterday's nervousness came back. Yesterday, I thought this was the Fed. But at the very end of the day, there was a big sell-off. And I think it was really Janet Yellen saying that they're not going to increase FDIC insurances. And so we had this same thing happen here. Another sell-off. This is a 300-point sell-off in 37 minutes, really, from the 3:23 till 4 o'clock. 300 points, and then we had 300 points in about 3 hours and 45 minutes right here. And then the same thing at, I believe, at 3:23, the market tries to bounce. And so at 3:23 is a time to watch. And let's look at tick reversal. That had a nice trade on the day. It's one of the top trades on the day. It was the top trade on the day in the NASDAQ, plus 2,000. Tick reversal 2023. You see the trade yesterday. We did not trade yesterday. The portfolio was down yesterday, but we didn't trade it live. We traded it live today, and this was up 2,040. And then tick pulse had a nice trade going, stopped out here, minus 625 on that trade. And so those are the NASDAQ trades on the day. S&P only had 2 trades, 2 for 2. Adaptive moving average is a trade on the day, 2387.50. Got the long side, got the short side. It's not perfect. It'd be ideal to capture the very high and then get short at the very high and then get out at the very low. But this is real trading for you. It's not perfect, but it captured that move pretty well, 2387.50. Cover 3 ES, another nice trade, getting out at just the right time, hitting its profit target before the market rolled over. And so Janet Yellen was supposed to speak here at the end of the day in the last hour, and so there's some extra volatility in there. Let's look at the market in general. So you see that market advances decline went from plus 1800 down to minus 1486, and just a lot of chopping here. Nice smooth trend, roll over. Kept thinking it was going to rally again, then it just sold into the previous day's close. The NASDAQ did not, though. The NASDAQ was stubborn. It wouldn't go to the previous day's close or lows, so it propped it up. And then at 1523, same time, 1523, it sold off here. 1523, it rallied here. And then, just wild price action the last couple of days ever since the Fed. So tomorrow is Friday. We have 6 trading days left in the month, and these are the trades on the day. We are glad to be at equity peaks, and I will send an update out on that to let you know where we are on the equity peaks. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.